So we are also proud to be saying that, and in that, AP Police also has a significant part and a role as a part of the state strategy to contain the COVID. ఇప్పుడు చూస్తేప్పుడు కూడా పోలీస్ శాఖలో టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ 466 policemen infected as on date, tested positive. అది కూడా ఎట్లా అంటే ఇందాక చెప్పినలాగా 3rd of May వరకు we had 45 cases, and on 3rd of May I announced that all the 45, we had one casualty, one martyr, one until then who had laid down his life in this COVID war. 3rd of June, I made a statement saying that 45, all the 44 out of the 45 has not only tested negative, but they have been discharged. But when the lockdown was lifted, within 1 week, we had 49 testing positive, and in the last 1 month, we had about 421 cases. అంటే ఫ్రంట్ లైన్లో గ్రౌండ్లో పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు దే ఆర్ contending with this virus at every stage. Every movement లో తగిలింది పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు, ఎదుర్కొంటున్నారు కూడా పోలీస్ వాళ్ళే. చెక్ పోస్ట్ నుంచి లేకపోతే రెగ్యులేషన్ నుంచి లేకపోతే ఎనీ మూవ్మెంట్ on the ground, it is the police which comes on the forefront, and in the process we had this kind of infections amongst the police. But I can also tell you that we are much better prepared than most of the states in as far as insulating our own staff, protecting our own staff right from the first week itself. From the first week itself, understanding the epidemiology of this virus, we made sure that those who are above the age of 55 in the police department to not to be deployed on the ground and be on the front line, but to be mostly doing administrative and back and rear end duties, not to get exposed to this virus. Similarly, we have identified all the staff members who had comorbidities, who had some health issues, health conditions. You are aware that by the very nature of policeman's duties, was always 24/7 on the roads, whether it is day, whether it is night, whether it is sun, whether it is rain. They have to be on the roads. Their timings are also not certain in terms of their food or rest. So by the professional occupational hazards, policemen's health conditions are generally, if you look at police as an entity, you find that there is more cases of comorbidities in the police, amongst the policemen. Hypertension gani, BP gani, sugar gani, heart issues, lakapote even that COPD, lungs, because of the pollution, because of the kind of duties that they're performing. So we identified such ailments amongst our police staff. So alanti staff members ne kuda ee frontline duties lo pettakonda we kept them little insulated from exposure, because these are the high risk categories amongst the policemen. Then we had many other measures to make sure that we protect ourselves, insulate ourselves, also develop the resistance and immunity within the policemen by giving them medications, medicines, then some prophylactics as well, and then of course various other precautions. And this is not only for the policemen themselves, but policemen families kosam kuda. Ante oka policeman నిలబడి రోడ్ మీద నిలబడి సేవ చేయాలంటే ఆయన కూడా బ్యాకింగ్ ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ని కూడా మనం ఇన్సులేట్ చేయడము, అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకురావడం వాళ్ళు కూడా, సో దట్ దే టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ద policemen. So we made those arrangements also right from the start, from the very first week itself.